Hello guys, you are watching Gadgetoholic and this is me Jay, and nice to see you all in this video. Today we are going to review about one of the useful product from the Mi series gadget Wi-Fi repeater. Right, so everyone use wireless in your home, and have you guys ever noticed in corner of your room or in corner of your home you do not have a wireless signal range, and you guys need to reach nearby to the router in order to get your mobile or other device connected to wireless network. So this comes handy Mi Wi-Fi repeater to help you in such kind of circumstances.
Thank you for your support for my previous video, Beetle F5 4G telephone. If you guys are new, I'm giving the link for that video on the top. Please click on the link to check the video out.
So before we begin, please subscribe to the channel Gadgetoholic and click on the bell notification on the below to get all the videos posted to be notified directly to your account. Alright guys, without any further delay, let us open this gadget and we will see what is the features of this. This is MI series gadget. We are going to have multiple MI series gadget in the featuring episode. This is Mi Wi-Fi repeater 2 and with 300 Mbps of wireless connectivity with the price range of 999 rupees, and the model number is RO2, and the setup is very clearly explained here. This is a quick setup. You have to scan this QR code and get the Mi Home installed, and then scan for this repeater, connect to this power unit with normal USB power socket. So search for the available wireless network after connecting to the power bank, and then get connected with this. So let us open this one out. So we have to peel this to get this opened. Alright. MI has made this as a very simplistic, and you can able to bend this as well. So you have a reset and then the indicator button, indicator light over here, and you have a Mi branding over here. On the back it is being written as a Wi-Fi plus. So that's about this. So all you have to do is you have to power this one out and then connect with the Mi Home app. So let us see how this can be connected. Okay, so we are going to power this one out using an power bank. So you can use either a power bank or it can be connected with your car dashboard as well in order to boost your signal, and it can be useful in your home to use any USB power socket and then get connected with this. So I'm just powering this one out here. So let us see how this boots up. So you are able to see the power symbol here. So this is in the orange color. You guys able to see it started blinking. So once it started blinking, this is ready for pairing, and we have to install the Mi Home app series in order to get this connected. So let us install that. There is no separate user manual, and they have given the instructions on the cover backside, and that is a smart thinking from the manufacturer. And they have given very clearly there is a QR code is there. Scan the QR code, you get connected with the Mi Home app, and you can search for the wireless repeater. Okay, so alright guys, I have already installed the Mi Home app, which if you can able to scan the QR code or directly from the Play Store as well, you can able to download that. So now I am going to connect this Wi-Fi amplifier, that is the repeater. So you have a router series here. So connect the Wi-Fi amplifier, and you please select the operation confirm. This is just like the light which is being blinking on this. So it is like operation confirm, and it is saying it is already being detected the sequence, and it is scanning for the devices now. So we are going to click next here, and then it is giving the available signal. So that I'm going to choose it as a Ganeshan residence, and see, it is saying like bring closer to the device, keep the phone and then the device closer, and connecting device to the network. So this is what it is going on, and it is going to repeat my wireless signal. So we have connected to me repeated to with Ganeshan residence, and it is having a underscore plus me band symbol in the wireless SSID, and this is also going to have the same password of the primary SSID.
So what do you guys think? This is going to be a useful gadget to extend your wireless network in a non-coverable area? Please leave me a comment.
Please subscribe to our channel Gadgetaholic. We are going to review multiple gadgets in the featuring episode. Please show your love and give a thumbs up to this video, like and do subscribe, and click on the bell notification to get all the videos which I am going to post in the featuring episode. Thank you for watching, and this is me Jai signing you out from Gadgetaholic. See you in the next video.